With the internet dominating over and influencing a large part of our lives, especially now with the work from home setup and new norm of social distancing, more people are looking for ways to earn money online to increase their income streams. High school and college goers find themselves in a situation where physical internships at workplaces are not possible or ideal. They too have had to take to the internet. Number 1. Freelance work. One of the easiest ways to make money is to do freelance work, be it copywriting, translation, graphic designing, video editing, app development, or marketing. There are many websites, both Indian and international, which offer teens the opportunity to get paid for their skills. These include Check India, Freelance India, Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, among others. Join the site by registering with your name, email, country name, and so on. Once your details are verified, your account will be created. You will have to create a profile based on your education, experience, and expertise, and only after it is approved in a specific time frame will you be allowed to accept freelance work. You can pick the work or project by directly interacting with clients or going through the site. Some Indian sites ensure the payment to its freelancers, unlike those that allow direct transactions with customers, where the payment may not be guaranteed. You can be paid hourly or on a fixed basis, and the amount will depend on the type of work and your skill level. Payments are typically made directly to the bank account, so you will need one. If you don't have a bank account, you may have to provide the details of your parents or link it with PayPal where it is required. Number 2. Instagram influencer. An influencer is a person who has a large number of online followers, including high-profile persons and celebs in a specific field or industry such as gaming, food, beauty, fashion, fitness, and more. A favorite fad among teenagers and youth, Instagram posts and videos can also help them earn a lot through sponsored posts, product reviews, brand promotion, selling photos, affiliate marketing, and selling one's own products. Select your niche field, something you are passionate about, have some kind of experience or expertise in, and a subject you can consistently post about. Create a striking profile picture as people will identify you with it, and make an engaging bio since it will determine your credibility. Switch to a professional or business account through settings, as it will open up various options to analyze, engage, and target your audience. The larger your audience and loyal follower base, the more money you can earn. Number 3. Rent, sell books, online tutoring, and project work. If you love reading or are academically gifted, this is perhaps the easiest way to earn some pocket money. You can rent out your books, sell previous year's school books, tutor other kids online, and help them with their project work. You can also earn by teaching or selling courses on online platforms like Udacity, Udemy, or Lynda, or sign up for online tutoring sites like Vedantu, TutorMe, Teacheron. For online tutoring sites, you will first have to register with the site. Then you will be assessed through an online interview or demo, and if you clear it, you will be taken on board. All you need to be an online tutor is a computer or laptop, internet connection, and expertise in your subject. With online tutoring sites, you can earn anywhere from $1,000 in a month. For tutoring your friends, neighbors, and acquaintances, depending on your caliber, academic record, and teaching skills, you can start by charging $200 per hour and increase it to $500 or $1,000 as you gain experience. Number 4. Blogging, vlogging. What was, till a few years ago, just a platform to give expression to one's passions is now a good way to earn money. By blogging about a specific topic of your interest, you can pull in readers or traffic, which in turn can translate into money. There are various ways in which you can earn through a blog or vlog on YouTube, such as ad placements via Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, doing product reviews, guest posts in others' blogs, or product sales on your blog. While there are several blogging platforms like WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, Medium, Ghost, Squarespace, and more, it is advisable to set up a self-hosted blog. This is because free blogs have a lot of constraints when it comes to customizing, and features have low storage capacity and don't allow ads or affiliate links. The best way is to make money. You will have to pay for the blog and domain name, but it will be money worth spent. Pick a domain name and a hosting plan. You will be treated more seriously and professionally with your own domain name. And buying a web hosting plan will give you complete control over the look and feel of your blog. Next, Pick a topic of your interest and start writing, sharing information, or posting videos. It will take a lot of hard work, effort, and time if you want to gain expertise and loyal following. You need to be consistent. Promote your blog on all social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, and more to direct more traffic and increase your earning potential. A blogger can start earning 20 to 30,000 rupees a month in a year or so. Teens who are just starting out may earn less. The top Indian blogger, Amit Agarwal, earns $60,000 a month. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel to make money online for more videos about work from your home. Number 5. Design t-shirts online. If you have an artistic flair, you can earn by creating designs for t-shirts. There are several websites, both Indian and foreign, that allow you to do so. You only contribute the design and don't have to worry about manufacturing, selling, or shipping the t-shirts. Some Indian sites are T-Shopper, The Sold Store, and My Home Store, while foreign sites include Teespring, Zazzle, and more. First of all, create an account with the website. Then for some sites, you can simply create the design on the shirt and upload it. Others allow you to choose the t-shirt style, colors, and text fonts, fix a price, and upload the shirt to be sold. Step 3. Though the website will advertise your wear, you will have to make an extra effort to market your designs on other social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, and more. Different websites have their own methods of payment, which can be monthly or as per its sales schedule. Some pay a royalty of 10 to 20, others let you fix your own price over the base price and keep the profit. And some pay a fixed price. Number 6. Online surveys. Possibly one of the easiest ways for teens to earn money is through paid online surveys. Swagbucks is among the most well-known sites and pays for participating in several activities like filling out surveys, watching videos, and shopping, among others. Some of the other sites which offer surveys are Toluna, Telepulse, Cash Crate, Valued Opinions, Opinion Bureau, Street Bees. Each site typically has a fixed number of surveys a person can attempt in a month. Register with the website by giving basic personal information and an account will be created for you. The surveys will be sent through the registered email to you. Fill up as many surveys as you can and the points will be credited to your account. Redeem these as you want. You usually earn points which can be redeemed in the form of cash, checks, or through gift vouchers and cards. You can earn from 1,000 to 2,000 rupees a week. Number 7. Storytelling via podcasts. If you have good oratory skills and love telling stories, monetize it. A podcast is a series of digital audio or video files a user can download to listen. With nearly 200 million monthly active users, 40 podcast companies, and a steady rise in users triggered by COVID lockdowns, audiobooks and story reading have caught on. You can start recording on your mobile phone, but it is better to get a good equipment if you want to sound professional. You will need a microphone, pop filter, computer or laptop, and audio editing software. Next, look for a platform where you can post and publish your podcast. While Apple is the premier podcast platform, there are others such as Google Podcasts, Anchor, Spotify, and more. You will first have to sign up on the platform, then either record an episode or upload a pre-recorded one. You can earn through sponsors, advertisements, subscriptions, selling products, courses, and merchandise. Once you have around 500 downloads, you can start earning. But for a decent income, you will need advertisers and sponsors who look for bigger audiences of over 5,000 listeners. Based on what we think is worthy, if you have more about it, please feel free to share them with us, share them in the comments below, and wait for our interesting topics coming soon. If you think they deserve to be on this list, share your opinion in the comments below.